Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an isolated environment and installing core libraries, Pandas, NumPy, and your chosen dashboard framework. Once done, scaffold a minimal app file and load a small sample dataset so you can iterate fast. Make sure to verify data types and missing values early. This avoids surprises downstream. You'll also wire a single data read function now, because having consistent input simplifies every visualization you add next. Now you implement data transformations and caching to keep interactions snappy. Use memoization or framework caching decorators. Next, assemble the UI, add a clear header, filter controls, and chart containers laid out responsively. Then connect interactivity, callbacks, or reactive bindings so filters update visuals without full reloads. Pay attention to component state and debouncing inputs. This prevents excessive queries. You should test each control. Finish by refining chart labels, tooltips, and consistent color schemes so users immediately understand insights. Once done, package your app for deployment, Dockerize or deploy to a serverless host, and include logs and a health endpoint for monitoring. Make sure to add version requirements and a simple CI step. If something breaks, check the browser console, network calls, and cache datasets first. Often a stale cache or mismatched schema is the culprit, and clearing cache usually reveals the real error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.